everyone, and welcome back to English Pod Up. This is the channel where learning English is simple, friendly, and enjoyable. My name is Emma, and I'll be your English teacher today.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. I'm Leo, and I'm very happy to be here and practice my English with you today.
Before we begin today's lesson, please remember to subscribe to English Pod Up, click the like button, and share this episode with anyone who is learning English. Your support really helps our channel grow.
Yes, thank you so much for supporting English Pod Up. Your support means a lot to us.
All right, Leo, are you ready for today's topic?
I think so. What is our topic today?
Today we are talking about a very common question. A question you hear at school, at work, and when meeting new people. The question is, tell me about yourself.
Oh, yes. That question makes me a little nervous sometimes.
You are not alone. Many English learners feel the same way. But don't worry. Today, we will learn how to answer this question slowly and confidently.
That sounds great. I really want to feel more confident when I speak.
Perfect. Let's start with something very simple. When someone asks, tell me about yourself, you can begin with your name.
Okay, my name is Leo.
Excellent. That's a great start. Now, after your name, you can talk about where you are from. So, Leo, where are you from?
I am from Canada. I was born in Canada and I still live there.
Very clear. Now you can add more detail if you want. For example, you can say if you live in a city or a small town.
I live in a small town. It's quiet and peaceful, and I enjoy living there.
That sounds very nice. Now, I'll answer too. My name is Emma. I am from the United States. I live in a big city, and it's very busy, but I like the energy.
I think that sounds exciting. Maybe too busy for me, but exciting.
Next, you can talk about your age, but only if you feel comfortable. Leo, how old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
Great. I'm 25 years old. Now let's move on to an important part, talking about what you do.
You mean my job or my studies?
Exactly. You can talk about your job, or if you are a student, you can talk about what you study.
Okay. I am a student. I'm learning English because I want to travel, meet new people, and feel confident when I speak.
That is a wonderful goal. I am an English teacher, and I love helping students improve step by step.
I can see that. You explain things very clearly.
Thank you, Leo. Now let's talk about hobbies. Hobbies are things you do in your free time. What do you like to do for fun?
In my free time, I like listening to music. I also enjoy playing soccer with my friends on weekends.
That's great. Being active is very healthy. My hobbies are painting and reading books. Painting helps me relax, and reading helps me learn new ideas.
That sounds peaceful.
Now let's talk about pets. Pets are a great topic when meeting people. Leo, do you have a pet?
Yes, I do. I have a dog named Max. He is friendly, energetic, and he loves to play outside.
That's lovely. I have a cat named Luna. She is very calm, quiet, and she sleeps most of the day.
That sounds like a cat.
Now let's talk about favorite things. This part is fun and easy. Leo, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. I like it because it's simple and delicious.
Great choice. My favorite food is pasta. I enjoy cooking it at home.
Now I understand you better.
You can also talk about things you don't like. This shows your personality.
I don't like very spicy food. It's too hot for me.
I don't like waking up very early. I prefer slow mornings.
So when someone asks, tell me about yourself, I don't need to say everything.
Exactly. Just choose a few simple things. Be relaxed, be friendly, and be yourself.
I feel much more confident now.
That makes me very happy. Before we finish, please remember to subscribe to English Pod Up, like this episode, and share it with other English learners.
And don't forget, go to the comments and tell us about yourself. 1 or 2 sentences are perfect.
Thank you for listening today. Keep practicing every day.
We'll see you again soon on English Pod Up.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.